I wanted to tell you about the 4 or 5 biggest mistakes I see in bathroom remodeling. The first mistake I see, and probably the biggest one, is not having a plan. When you are going to do some remodeling, the best course of action is to have a plan. That would mean a floor plan and some elevations. The second mistake I see is people wanting to use their old products in a bathroom. Old products are dirty, and usually when you pull them out, set them aside for a while, do your remodeling and put them back in, a lot of times they don't work very well. They're not designed to be put aside and rested and then reused. Another common mistake is people wanting to use ceramic tile instead of going with the porcelain tile. Porcelain tile is not porous and it won't stain, and it gives you a much better product. Another mistake I see is not sealing your glass enclosure. I don't know if you know this or not, but this enclosure can be sealed from the factory, and it makes it a whole lot easier to keep clean. For more remodeling tips, go to tampakitchenandbath.com or visit our social media sites.